Hello beautiful guys, welcome back to another interesting video as we always bring to you on trendy short curly hairstyles. Today we are bringing on the best of selections that is going to make you stand out whenever, wherever, however from the crowd. This week, if you have been checking our previous videos, we have been posting and walking elegantly this through different styles and fascinating designs of short curly hairstyles for pretty elegant ladies. As you know, that is why we created this channel, because it's set up to inspire, to ignite our viewers' love for credible, fashionistic and stylish short curly perfect hairstyles for beautiful ladies all around the globe, irrespective of your age, irrespective of your size, irrespective of your color. Because what really matters is how you appear and how elegant you seem to slay in your beautiful, stylish, short curly hairstyles for ladies who knows their onions and how well best to cut them, because our styles will always inspire you to look different, that anywhere you enter that people will turn around to take a look at you, because your style is going to give them a bold statement, because our collections are always targeted to help you to make a bold statement, just as we made this very beautiful collection for those of us who are fashionistic stylists, and for those of us who love fashionistic styles, and for those who love to be looked at best anytime, any day, anyway. These hairstyles are one to go with anytime for pretty, elegant, sophisticated ladies all around the globe. So I urge you guys, keep it locked to this channel. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell icon on, and do like our videos, as well as send in your comments to let us know how you feel about these videos. I'll be right back guys, sit back, relax, and enjoy this video to the fullest, and be blessed. See you. Be good.
Craze for your love. Say I wanna leave you in the morning, but I need you now. I find I give you all you need, and I know what you like. I feel it coming, yeah. Time is of the essence. Oh, I try to teach you, yeah, but I might need some lessons. You don't need no other body, yeah. You don't need no other body, yeah. Only you feel my body, yeah. Only you feel my body, yeah. When they'll say I can't have you, I'll prove them wrong, I came for you. Oh, don't need no other body. Oh, you know, say I still come through. Oh, give me love, yeah, yeah. Forever, yeah, yeah. I decrease for your love. Say I wanna leave you in the morning, but I need you now. I find I give you all you need, and I know what you like. I feel it coming, yeah. lessons. You don't need no other body. Yeah, you don't need no other body. Yeah, yeah. I came for you. You. Oh, don't need no other body. Oh, you know, say I still come through. Oh, give me love, yeah, yeah. Forever, yeah, yeah. I decrease for your love. Say I wanna leave you in the morning, but I need you now. I find I give you all you need, and I know what you like. I feel it coming, yeah. Time is of the essence. Oh, I try to teach you, yeah, but I might need some lessons. Lessons. You don't need no other body. Yeah, you don't need no other body. Yeah, yeah. Only you feel my body. Yeah, only you feel my body. Yeah. When they'll say I can't have you, I'll prove them wrong. I came for you. You. Oh, don't need no other body. Oh, you know, say I still come through. Oh, give me love, yeah, yeah. Forever, yeah, yeah. I decrease for your love.